Now let's learn the opposite way around, converting decimal numbers into fractions. And the fractions will be simplified to the lowest term. Starting with the first one, 0.28. So how can we rewrite this as a fraction? So we'll first write the 0 to 8 without the decimal point as the numerator, and then see how many digits are there after the decimal point. This is the decimal point, and how many digits are there after the decimal point. There are 2 digits after the decimal point. So we shall be writing 100 because 100, 100, it has 2 zeros after the decimal point. Do not make the mistake of cancelling this 0 and this 0 because this is the extra 0. Because 0 to 8 is nothing but 28. So 0.28 can be represented as 28 upon 100. And we can divide this by 2. So we have 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. And again we can divide this by 2. 2 7s are 14 and 2 25s are 50. The half of 50 is 25. So 7 over 25 is the answer. So if you divide it in the corner by writing 7 inside and 25 outside, you shall be getting 0.28 as the answer. Let's do the second one, 1.64. So we can first write 164 as the numerator, ignoring the decimal point. And again, there are 2 digits after the decimal point. So we can write a number with 2 zeros and starting with 1. So again, we write 100. And then we shall reduce this to the lowest terms. So 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Again by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and 2 25s are 50. And now 41 and 25 do not go in any particular table except 1. They are co-prime numbers. So 41 upon 25 is the answer. Let's take the third one, 0.005. So we can write 0005 ignoring the decimal point. But this time there are 3 digits after the decimal place. So we shall be writing 1000, a number with 3 zeros. And then we can ignore all the zeros towards the left side because a whole number like 0005 is nothing but 5. But of course we cannot ignore all these zeros towards the right side in whole numbers. And then if possible we shall reduce this to the lowest term. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10, followed by these 2 zeros, 0, 0. So the answer to this is 1 upon 200. Remember, do not ignore this 1 because 1 in the numerator is not ignored. Let's do another one, 12.5. So we can rewrite this as 125 without the decimal point upon what? This time after the decimal point we have only 1 digit. So we shall be writing a 10. With 1 digit only. And now let us reduce this if possible. So we have 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10, 2 carry because 12 minus 10 is 2, and 5 5s are 25. So we can write it as 25 upon 2. Just for your information, 12.5 is nothing but 12 and a half or 12 1 upon 2, and the half of 25 upon 2 is also the half of 25, and that is also 12 and a half. So this tells us that both these numbers are equal. I hope you understood this. Thank you for watching.